Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Podcast English Talk. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, welcome back, everyone. Thank you so much for spending your time learning English with us.
My name is Mary, and I'm really excited about today's topic. It's simple, but very important for beginners.
And I'm Tom. Today, we're going to talk about something small but powerful in English grammar.
Today's topic is how to use am, is, and are. These three words are very common in English.
You hear them every day. You use them in basic sentences.
But many learners still feel confused. They don't know when to use each one.
So don't worry. Today, we will explain it clearly and slowly.
First, let's understand what these words are. Am, is, and are forms of the verb to be.
The verb to be is one of the most important verbs in English. It helps us describe people, places, and things.
We use it to talk about identity. We use it to talk about feelings.
And we also use it to talk about location. It is everywhere in English.
Now, let's remember something very important. In English, we always start with the subject.
The subject is the person or thing in the sentence. For example, I, you, he, she, it, we, they.
After the subject, we choose the correct form. That's where many learners make mistakes.
But don't worry, it's actually very easy when you follow the rule.
We use am only with one subject. That subject is I.
Only I, nothing else.
For example, I am happy. I am tired.
I am a student. I am ready.
We never say I is or I are. That is incorrect.
Always remember, I equals am.
Now let's talk about is. We use is with singular subjects.
That means one person or one thing, like he, she, or it.
For example, he is my friend. She is kind.
It is hot today. The dog is small.
If the subject is singular, most of the time we use is.
Now let's move to are. We use are with plural subjects.
Plural means more than one, like we, you, and they.
For example, we are ready. They are students.
You are my friend. You are welcome.
Also, remember something interesting. You always uses are.
Let's review together. I am.
He, she, it is.
You, we, they are.
See? It's simple when you organize it clearly.
If you use the wrong form, the sentence sounds strange.
For example, she are happy. That sounds wrong.
Yes, native speakers will understand you, but it doesn't sound natural.
That's why practice is important. Small grammar makes a big difference.
If you are a beginner, don't feel embarrassed.
Everyone starts somewhere. We all make mistakes.
Learning grammar step by step is powerful. Simple things build strong English.
And today is one step forward for you.
In the next part, we will practice real sentences together.
We will also look at common mistakes, and we will correct them clearly.
So stay with us and keep listening.
Don't go anywhere. Part 2 is coming.
Now that we understand the basic rules, let's practice together slowly.
Yes, practice makes everything clearer. When you say the sentences out loud, your brain remembers better.
Let's start with I am. Repeat after me. I am ready.
Good. Now say, I am excited.
Very nice. How about I am learning English?
That's a great sentence. It shows action and identity at the same time.
Remember, when the subject is I, you always choose am.
Even if the sentence is long, the rule does not change.
Now, let's move to singular subjects. Listen carefully. He is my brother.
She is my teacher. It is a beautiful day.
Notice something important. He, she, and it always use is.
Even when we describe feelings, for example, he is tired.
Or, she is happy today. It is cold outside.
Simple pattern. Singular subject equals is.
Now let's talk about you. Say it with me. You are kind.
You are welcome. You are doing great.
Many learners make a mistake here. They sometimes say you is.
But that is incorrect. You always goes with are.
Even when you talk to only one person, you are my friend.
And when you talk to many people, you are my classmates.
Now let's practice plural subjects. We are ready.
We are learning together. We are improving every day.
Great. Now try they are students.
They are busy today. They are at school.
If the subject is more than one, choose are.
That rule works almost every time.
Let's imagine a real situation. You meet a new friend,
You might say, "Hi, I'm Tom. I'm from Canada."
and the other person says, Hi, Tom, I'm Lisa. I'm happy to meet you.
Then you can continue. You are very friendly.
She might reply, You are kind too.
See how natural it sounds? These small words connect everything.
We also use am, is, are to talk about feelings. For example, I am nervous.
She is excited. They are worried.
Feelings are very common in daily English, so you will use this structure often.
When you describe your mood, the verb to be is usually there.
Now let's talk about location. For example, I am at home.
She is at work. They are in the park.
Notice how we describe where someone is. We use am, is, are before the place.
Yes, it connects the subject and the location clearly.
Now let's look at some common mistakes. Listen carefully.
Incorrect, she are my sister. Correct, she is my sister.
Incorrect, they is ready. Correct, they are ready.
Incorrect, I is tired. Correct, I am tired.
When you hear the wrong version, it sounds strange, right?
That's why repetition helps. Your ear becomes stronger.
Let's do a quick test. I will say a subject, and you choose the correct word.
First one, he, blank, happy.
The answer is. He is happy.
Next one, they, blank, at school.
The answer is are. They are at school.
Last one, I, blank, ready.
The answer is am. I am ready.
If you got them correct, great job.
If you made a mistake, don't worry.
Mistakes are part of learning. They show you are trying.
Keep practicing short sentences. Short practice builds strong grammar.
And don't rush. Clarity is better than speed.
In the next part, we will talk about negative sentences.
Yes, we'll learn how to say, I am not, she is not, and they are not.
That will make your English more complete.
So stay with us. Part 3 is coming soon.
Now that we know how to use am, is, and are in positive sentences, let's go a little deeper.
Yes, now it's time to learn how to make negative sentences. This will help you express the opposite idea clearly.
To make a sentence negative, we simply add not. That's it. The rule is simple.
For example, instead of saying, I am happy, you say, I am not happy.
Instead of she is ready, you say she is not ready.
Instead of they are here, You say, they are not here.
The structure is very clear. Subject plus am, is, or are, plus not, plus rest of sentence.
Nothing complicated. Just add not after the verb.
Now let's make it more natural. In real conversation, we often use short forms.
Yes, we don't usually say, I am not. We say, I'm not.
Instead of she is not, we say she isn't.
And instead of they are not, we say they aren't.
These contractions make your English sound smoother. They are very common in daily speech.
If you want to sound natural, practice using these short forms.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I am not tired.
Good. Now try, he is not busy.
Next one, she isn't angry. That's the short form.
They aren't late. Very natural and simple.
Say them out loud. Train your mouth, not only your eyes.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help you grow.
In the next part, we'll practice longer conversations.
Yes, we'll combine positive, negative, and questions together so you can see real communication in action.
Stay with us. You're doing great.
Part 4 is coming next.
Now we're going to practice longer and more natural conversations.
Yes, this is where everything connects. Positive sentences, negatives, and questions all together.
Let's imagine we are at a party. You meet someone for the first time.
Okay, I'll start. Hi, I'm Tom. I'm from Canada.
Nice to meet you, Tom. I'm Mary. I'm from Australia.
Are you a student here or are you working?
I'm not a student anymore. I'm working as a teacher.
That's great. Is your job interesting?
Yes, it is. My students are very kind.
Are they young or are they adults?
They are teenagers. They're very energetic.
Let's try another example. Maybe you feel nervous before an exam.
Okay. Tom, I'm really nervous today.
Why are you nervous? Is the exam difficult?
Yes, it is. The questions are challenging.
Don't worry, you're prepared.
I'm not completely confident, but I'm trying my best.
That's what matters. You are capable.
Now imagine we're at the office. It's Monday morning.
Mary, are you ready for the meeting? The manager is already in the room.
I'm almost ready. My notes are on my desk.
Is the presentation finished or is it still in progress?
It isn't finished yet, but the main points are clear.
That's okay. We are working as a team.
Yes, we are, and teamwork is important.
Let's talk about location again. It's very common in daily English.
Tom, where are you right now? Are you at home?
Yes, I am. I'm in my living room.
Is your brother there too, or is he outside?
He isn't at home. He's at the gym.
Are your parents visiting today, or are they busy?
They're not visiting. They're traveling this week.
Now let's mix everything naturally. Questions, negatives, and positive answers.
Okay, I'll ask first. Are you happy with your progress in English?
Yes, I am, but I'm not satisfied yet.
That's a good attitude. Is English difficult for you?
Sometimes it is, but the lessons are helpful.
Are you practicing every day? Or are you too busy?
I'm practicing a little each day. I'm not giving up.
That's wonderful. Consistency is powerful.
When you practice like this, your confidence grows naturally.
You don't just memorize rules, you use them in real communication.
Speak slowly at first. Accuracy is more important than speed.
Then increase your speed gradually. Clarity should always come first.
Record yourself speaking. Listen carefully to your sentences.
If something sounds strange, check your verb.
Dear listeners, you are improving step by step.
Every sentence you practice makes your foundation stronger.
Grammar is not scary. It becomes friendly when you understand it.
And remember, simple sentences are powerful.
In the final part, we will summarize everything clearly.
Yes, we'll review the rules one more time, and we'll give you a small challenge.
So stay with us until the end. You're doing an amazing job.
Part 5 is coming next.
We've reached the final part of today's episode.
Yes, and we're really proud of you for staying with us. You've learned a lot today.
Let's review everything clearly and simply. First, remember the basic rule.
I always goes with am. That never changes.
He, she, and it go with is. Those are singular subjects.
You, we, and they go with are. Those are plural or special subjects.
Then we learned how to make negative sentences. We just add not.
For example, I am not, she is not, they are not.
We also practiced contractions. I'm not, she isn't, they aren't.
And then we learned how to ask questions. We moved the verb to the front.
Are you ready? Is she at home?
Short answers are easy too. Yes, I am, or no, I'm not.
These words look small, but they are everywhere in English.
You use them to describe yourself. You use them to describe others.
You use them to talk about feelings. You use them to talk about location.
When you master this structure, your English becomes clearer and stronger.
Now we have a small challenge for you. Try to create 5 sentences using am.
Then create 5 sentences using is and 5 using are.
Next, change them into negative sentences. Practice both full form and short form.
Finally, turn them into questions. Say them out loud.
If you practice like this every day, you will see real progress.
Consistency is more important than perfection. Small daily practice builds big results.
If grammar feels confusing sometimes, remember that learning is a journey.
Nobody becomes fluent overnight. Fluency grows step by step.
Be patient with yourself. Celebrate small improvements.
And don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your own progress.
Tom, I remember when I was learning another language, I made many grammar mistakes.
Me too. I wasn't confident at first.
But practice changed everything. I am proof that improvement is possible.
And you are proof too. You are learning right now.
We truly appreciate every listener. Your support means so much to us.
If this episode helped you, please share it with a friend.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Podcast English Talk.
When you subscribe, you never miss a new lesson.
We create simple, clear English lessons every week, and we love learning together with you.
Your support helps our channel grow, and it helps us continue making useful content.
Thank you for listening until the end. We're so happy you joined us today.
Keep practicing, keep improving.
Remember, small grammar creates strong English.
And strong English creates more opportunities.
We are Mary and Tom.
And this is Podcast English Talk.
Take care, everyone. We'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye and happy learning.